To forge steel, one must shape it. Through compressive forces of hammering, pressing, and rolling, it must undergo great heat to become malleable, to mold, and to become a different shape. For a piece of metal can only become what the blacksmith says it should become. And life is like metal, forged in the fires of struggle, adversity, and suffering. At times we can lose ourselves and become lost in the fire of hardship and struggle. Challenging, hammering, beating, and molding who we are. Yet the power of fire is that it makes you stronger, more determined, and resilient. For you are the blacksmith. You make the choice of how to interpret and see life's struggles. Allow the fire to forge your identity, to build you into the person you want to become. For life is a matter of choices, and every choice you make makes you. Thank you for sharing in this creative moment, and feel good. Don't forget to subscribe, and remember, we are forged in the fires of adversity, not comfort.